One of the things that sets us apart is that at these courses you are being taught by experienced peers rather than specialists. So our teachers are all full-time skin cancer practitioners. They're not plastic surgeons who do some skin cancer surgery. They're not dermatologists who treat the whole range of skin diseases. They're being taught by people who do skin cancer and very little else, and are very experienced at it and doing it in primary care. So you're really being taught by people who are active at the coalface.
The Skin Cancer College, I found it very professional, very practical, and many support. So yeah, that's the reason that I came back.
I really like the college because it's one, it's a not-for-profit. It's run by really dedicated educators who work in skin cancer medicine. They have a sort of very strong practical focus, which is what I love. I like hands-on, and that's what really is important. I mean, they do have a big theoretical aspect as well, but the practical side is much better, I think, than the alternatives.
That's, I think, another thing that sets us apart is that the profits that the college earns are invested back into developing further education courses, and most importantly putting that into research funding. And in its short life, the college has so far invested nearly $500,000 into various research projects.